Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Luis, and if you found this video you are looking for on how to open a Seagate External expansion drive. I took the opportunity to show you how a HD drive looks inside. So this one got malfunction and I took the protection off just to see how it looks inside. And this is a naked hard disk drive. Okay, this is how it looks without the top plate and doesn't work anymore. Okay, so I have those three 2 terabyte drives that I would like to use inside my network attached storage or inside my computer. So I need to remove them from the black case, from this black plastic case, because I have those drives kept and I never know where I have the file. So I will make better use of them inside my network attached storage or directly attached to my computer. In order to open the case, this plastic case, we need a screwdriver, okay, just like this one, and you just need to go from one side and slide it in and continue all the sides until you remove completely the plastic. Be careful not to hurt yourself, so the video is a little bit speeded up, so you must be to be careful not to damage the hard disk and also your fingers. Okay, so the plastic, we will not need it anymore, and inside we have our disk drive. So without the plastic it looks like this. We need to remove the screw drives, and we have to remove it from this metal socket or bay, as you want to call it, in order to be used inside the computer or inside the network attached storage. Keep the screws, you might need them, and that's it. So this is the drive ready to be used as internal. Keep also this part because you can attach another disk and it will be always ready to connect by USB with the power supply to your computer. Okay, so it's a nice gadget to have and to use. Okay, so the drive is ready to go inside a computer. You just need to put back the screws in order to secure the hard disk drive, because it will spin. And then connect it to the motherboard with the 2 cables. So one is the power cable and the other one is the SATA cable. So this one is the power cable and the other one is the SATA that connects to the motherboard, and it's ready to go. Otherwise you can use the disks inside your network attached storage and it will be also ready to go. So don't forget, if you like the video, to give a big thumbs up. Consider to subscribe. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe.